Finally, Terra Classic have crossed 64 billion coins. Terra Classic have now born a total of 64,602,766,999 LUNC coin as of the time of recording this. Over 64 billion coins of Terra Classic has been destroyed so far. Yes, starting from the beginning of May last year, LUNC have now born a total of 64 billion coins. If you divide this, because this is June, so let's assume this is exactly 12 months. Okay, 12 months, exactly 12 months. So by the time you divide 64 billion coins, it means Terra Classic has been burning an average of 5.3 or 5.2 billion coins on a monthly basis. And for me, I think 5 to 6 billion coins on a monthly basis is quite small. That is why I believe that by the time they need to hit over 500% to 1000% of this burning rate, so if they have to burn over 500%, we should be expecting at least 26 billion bonds per month or 52 billion bonds per month for 1,000% increase in the burning of Terra Classic. So at least in a year, let's see Terra Classic burning over 600 billion. As that would definitely give hope to most holders, and that will be helping to push the price of Terra Classic, believing that in 3 years they can burn 1.8, in 4 years they can burn 2.4, in 5 years they can burn 3 trillion coins of Terra Classic. So in the next 7 or 8 years to come, Terra Classic will definitely be just somewhere. But remember, as they are burning, the price will keep increasing. More traders will be coming in, more market cap will be increasing, more burning rates will definitely increase. But for me, 64 billion is quite a lot. They actually did a better try, and I believe right now we should be heading towards burning at least 90 billion coins. But I believe for the end of this month, Terra Classic can still hit that 70 billion bonds before the end of June. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.